Today I shall discuss one problem on binomial distribution. So the problem is regarding tossing a coin. So first let me write down the problem, then I shall discuss about it. So the problem is a coin is tossed 5 times. A coin is tossed 5 times. What is the probability of getting at least 3 heads? Okay, this is the problem. A coin is tossed 5 times. What is the probability of getting at least 3 heads? This is my problem. So I need to find out with binomial distribution, because there are only 2 outcomes, either success or failure. That is, either head will come or tail will come when we are tossing a coin. Now first let me write down the formula of binomial distribution. So what is the formula of binomial distribution? The formula of binomial distribution is this one: probability of x in Cx, then p to the power x, and then 1 minus p to the power n minus x. Now let me make it accordingly with subscript and superscript. This will be subscript, this will be superscript, and this will be again subscript, and this will be also subscript. So this is my formula, and here x is the number of success. Okay, then n is the number of experiments. So I am writing this, where x is the number of success, x is the number of success, n is the number of experiments, x is the number of success, n is the number of experiments. Okay, and p is the probability of success. P is the small p is the probability of success. And when we are tossing a fair coin, that is obviously 0.5 for tossing a fair coin. Okay, and 1 minus p is the probability of failure, is the probability of failure. So that will also be 0.5. okay, so that is also probability, so 0.5. so it is the scenario. Now at least as per our problem, what is the problem? That out of 5 times, out of 5 toss, we need to find out the probability of getting at least 3 heads. So at least 3 heads. So we need to give stress on this one, that is at least. See, it is at least 3 heads, at least. So at least means, at least 3 heads means out of 5. So 0, 1, 2 we do not, we shall not consider 0, 1, 2. We shall consider above 3. So 3, 4 and 5, total outcome 5. So at least 3 means either 3, that is 3, 4 and 5, all these 3 we shall consider 3 outcomes. So we need to find out, probability of 3 plus probability of 4 plus probability of 5. This is the thing we need to find out for finding at least 3 heads. Okay, so this is the thing. So what we will do, we will just substitute the values in this, because we know the formula. So for probability of 3, what will be this? This will be our formula is NCX. So n is here number of experiments. So n is 5. Okay, n is 5 na, so we can write this also. N is the number of experiments, so I am writing this here. N is 5. Okay, x is the number of success, so that we will find out. So here our x will be 3, 4 and 5. All these 3 we need to find out. So when we are finding probability of 3, so in that case x is 3. Okay, so we will write down NCX. So NCX means that is 5, C and 3, and 5 will be subscript and 3 will be superscript. Okay, now this will be superscript. Okay, 5cx into p already we know 0.5 to the power x, that means 3. So again we will make it superscript 3 and multiplied by 1 minus p, that is also 0.5. 1 minus p is also 0.5, that is also 0.5, that is to the power n minus x. So n minus x means that is 5 minus 3. This one plus probability of 4, that is 5c4. So let me make it accordingly. 5c4, this one, okay, this one, and then again 0.5, that is p is 0.5 to the power, in this case it will be to the power 4. Okay, x is 4, so it will be 4, and then I'll write down 1 minus p, that is again 0.5 to the power, what will be it, that is n minus x. So here it will be 5 minus 4. Okay, so again I'll put plus sign, again p5, so p5 means 5c5, so 5c5. Okay, so this is subscript, this is now, this is this one, okay, this one, okay, so I need to make it off, and then it is coming as one thing, 8 minutes, so yeah, so yeah, 5c5, and then again 0.5, p is 0.5 to the power x, that means to the power 5. So I'll write to the power 5. Okay, and again 0.5 to the power, it will be n minus x, so 5 minus 5. Okay, so we need to calculate this. I need to calculate this. So if we calculate, it will come with calculator. We can easily calculate this. 0.125 plus 0.0625 plus 0.03125. 0.03125. I am calculating this with a calculator, and so you can also do the same, and the final result will come 0.21875. So this is my final result. So the probability of getting at least 3 heads out of total 5 toss, it will be 0.21875. Okay, or if we write it down in percentage, you can write 21.875%. Okay, if you multiply this by 100, because out of 1 it is 0.21875, so out of 100 it will come 21.875. So that's all.